I hope everyone can see my screen.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay, hi everyone. I am Kajal. I'm from First Source Solutions based out of Bangalore, currently leading the scheduling and forecasting team. Today, I'll be talking on the productivity uplift we had, as productivity is one of the key matrices in the organization, maybe because it's linked directly with the revenues. We have grew up in the industries listening to the phrase that, don't wait for an opportunity and go and create one. Going with the same methodology and the ideology behind it, we had tried to, break the stagnant performance of our back office, processes and raise the bars in the terms of productivity where we were actually at. We had very clear objective in our mind, one being the identifying and agreeing on the new achievable targets, and second was to make it a win-win situation for both users, end users, as well as my business. Before going ahead with making any changes with the productivity targets, we ensured that we understand the business in and out. When I'm saying the understanding, we took a fair amount of time in understanding the tools which are currently used, the methodologies which were currently in place for calculating the productivity, being it the Asian methods of time and motion study, or being it the method of going on the trend line. Understanding the billing models so as to ensure that if we are trying to deploy anything new, we are ensuring that we are looking at the ROIs as well. Yesterday I was in the session and I heard Sridhar mentioning that tools is very important and selecting the right tool makes it very important. So I had gone ahead in the market research and we have researched a lot on the tools which were there in house, as well as we have went ahead outside to look at the potential tools which are there, which can be considered as a more effective and efficient tool. Finally, we had came across a tool named as Prohance, which was a productivity tool completely based out of completely focusing on the back office process. Finalizing the tool, we had done a pilot with the tool. Pilot was important so as to know that where we are currently heading and what is the baseline for the productivity which we are, and what are the opportunities which are available with us in terms of increasing the productivity. Okay, so with going ahead with the implementation plan, first and foremost was to setting up the targets. So we had ensured that we are revising our productivity targets with agreement to operations and educating them on how we are coming up with those new targets. As we all know that education is the key to success. And so as to we ensure that we are educating, not just educating a manager or an end user, we ensure that we are educating each and every person related or associated with this project. And they or everyone should know what is the methodology we have used behind it, coming up with the new targets. It becomes, easy when everyone is know that, what we are focusing at and what we are trying to achieve as an end result. Third was to set up a strong governance. No success can be achieved in overnight, and we knew about it. What we focused on achieving something week on week. So where we are on the week first, we ensured that we are improving on the second week and followed up with the other ones. As told by Garrett G, that recognition is the biggest motivator. We had collaborated with our operations so that we ensure that the top performers are always being appreciated and they can set the right examples for the rest of them. And trust me, it did work very well because we didn't have to pinpoint the bottom performers. That top performers appreciation, they kind of led an example for rest everyone, and we started seeing a drastic improvement for rest of them. Obviously, with any deployment or any change we bring in the organization, it has a few of the challenges. One was different regulatory compliances for different geographies, not even geographies, for different states. So yeah, we ensure that we are keeping all those in mind. We are educating our leads managers that these are the compliances which are there for your state or your country, which we are looking at. We accommodated all those in our reporting structure, and that helps in setting up the right examples or the right expectations with the end user. For an example, just an example, I'm sure every one of you is aware of that. Overtime in India or in Karnataka, 2 hours of overtime in a day is acceptable, not more than that. whereas that doesn't apply for a US or a UK business. So we ensure that we know all of the regulatory compliances, and not just us, everyone else is also aware of it. As I told you, education was, key we are looking at here. Then the change management. Everyone is heard about the terminology of change management. We also face the same as the users were very comfortable with the existing environment they had. And obviously, to bring something new after, there's already a setup and a stable business, to bring something new becomes challenging. So one was that the end users to, give something new to the end users. And the second was to make the TMs, managers, everyone, look the productivity in from a different or a new pair of eyes. We also had some teething issues with the implementation phase, because of the different technologies we are using right now. Some are logging into the desktop, some are logging into the thin clients, some are directly logging into the client server, some are logging through VPI, and obviously they are, I've just listed few, there are many more. uh, that created some teething issues in sense of the configurations of the tool which we had deployed. But thanks to the IT team and the vendor, we were able to manage it very well in a very short span of time. I believe the entire success has was possible because of the three major strategies we were looked at. One was, as I keep mentioning, the education. Educating a person on the term of productivity and how it has been come up like that, and giving them the opportunity to review their own performances on a daily basis. We use a different means to educate people. They were online mandatory training. They were posters which are set up on the floor to tell them, okay, this is what we are referring from productivity, and this is what we are expecting. We also send quite a few emailers on their inboxes so as to keep them updated. Second was leadership involvement in all the governance, in all the reportings. I think that helped, because if leaders are involved, the severity becomes, the importance is anyways there. And also, we had everything worked out from a centralized team. So when I'm saying centralized team, there was one team responsible to, cater out the entire project, starting from the implementation to the reporting, to taking up the governance, to ensuring that we are having week on week improvement. Obviously, it's a combined effort from operations, WFM, and the centralized team. But this centralized team was created so as the focus remains to them. There is no confusions to where to reach out in case of any troubleshooting. It's a tool, right? Everyone will face some of the other glitches because technology expect. Everyone knew whom to be reached out, whom they'll get all the supports from, and meeting the timelines. So you set a objective at the first phase. As I told you, we had very clear objective that whatever we set as a target, we wanting to achieve that. Second, with the agreed timelines as well. So we set up a target, and we were not trying to achieve that something with a year or something. We had set our own timelines that one we want to achieve those. Third, and I think the most important, is focusing on the quantified result. We already had a target in place. We ensure that we are focusing on meeting them within a timeline we have set for ourselves. Linking your productivity percentage improvement to the transactions per hour. If my productivity is increasing, obviously parallel in hand, my transactions per hour or my production per hour should increase as well. Finally, the outcome. So if you can see clearly, in the first month itself, we were able to achieve the productivity improvement of 3%, and it kept on going till 8% what we had targeted, and it's sustained in the fifth month. And right now we are in the control phase where we are ensuring that whatever we have achieved, we are successful in keeping that sustained for for the future years. We had covered almost three geographies, three verticals, and more than 10 clients with the new approach and with the new productivity targets. The total benefits seen were around more than 4.5 million in the course of 3 years, which is obviously continued. That's all from my side. I'll open the forum for any questions if you may have. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, Kajal. Milind, over to you. If you have any questions, we can ask Kajal.
Yeah. So Kajal, I have one question before I this thing. So this what you are presenting is the process of deploying a particular tool, or that itself was a process that FirstSource has designed and implemented?
So what I'm presenting is the obviously implementation of a new process, which was relooking at the productivity targets.
No, but that in deployment of a particular tool, that's what you're that's what you are presenting, or it was a process in itself that was new?
So both deployment of a tool as well as implementation of a new process.
And this benefit that you called out is course of 3 years. So that's so this is the last 3-year story, or it's the projected for 3 years?
No, this is the last 3 years of story.
Okay.
And I said
Thanks.
it is continued.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kajal,
Yes.
if I look at it and sorry, Milinda, do you want to say something? Please go ahead.
No, I'm done. I'm good.
Kajal, you're just, if I look at it, there is only, don't get me wrong, I'm trying to put it in a very objective way. We have only improved discipline.
No, we set up a new target.
How does it become a new practice? Or because discipline is given in some areas, there are multiple ways to do it. What is that? Why is productivity improved?
So I'll try to give the answer within the limitations I have, how much I can say. But discipline is something. Discipline is something you are asked a person to stay for 8 hours and keep continuing working for 8 hours. Correct?
Right.
That's someone discipline, coming on a right time, going on a right time. Something what I am looking at, they are working on the applications, which is my revenue generators. They are focusing on that. So making them understand of how a productivity works. So that's what we looked at.
So can you show where you went there? Because I'm sorry, maybe I lost it, but where is actual productivity being transformed? How is that getting affected? Because the only thing visible, maybe it's a mistake at my end that I don't see it. It is just pure discipline. So where is the productivity increase that you're showcasing? You must have mentioned it somewhere. I mean,
correct. So I have not mentioned the methodology we used to come up with the new productivity and what was the logic behind it. That's because of certain limitations I had. I couldn't use the methodology we used. So what I am showcasing is the improvement what we had basis what we had set as a target.
okay.
Maybe we can connect sometime afterwards and
No, that's fine. You don't need. Look, this is a standard practice. I don't need to connect otherwise, but it's fine. We need to understand where is that innovation or disruption or differentiation coming in. I mean, ours is the raw material that we have. That's the business we are in, right?
Ours is one thing. So maybe I can quote this example.
Quality, yes, ours and quality are two things. I understand. Leave it. No, forgive me, Kajal, leave it. It's okay.
Okay. Deepak, Subhash, any questions? No? Shiva, any question from Rajiv? Any questions? Shiva, any question from audience?
No, as of now.
Okay.
I think with this, we will end the presentation.
Okay.
And we'll move on to the next one.
Yeah. Thank you, Kajal.
Okay, thank you, Kajal.
Thanks, everyone.